Today, we are making Buta no Shogayaki. In Japanese, shoga means ginger and yaki means grill. So we're making grilled ginger pork. Today, I'm using Shimeji mushrooms. If you can't find these mushrooms in the market, you can substitute with shiitake, enoki, or even cremini mushrooms. Slice the roots off your mushrooms and then separate the mushrooms from each other and set aside. For our marinade, we're going to peel and grate 2 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon of ginger, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of mirin. Mix them together in a bowl and set aside. This recipe tastes really good with thinly sliced pork shoulder. If you can't find it in your local Asian market, you can also use pork belly or any other pork that are on the fattier side. I don't recommend lean pork parts such as pork loin, as you'll just end up with very tough pork once it's cooked. We're gonna place a large skillet over medium-high heat and add a little bit of oil to it. One by one, swish your pork slices in the marinade just before adding it to the pan. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. And when one side is starting to brown and caramelize, you can flip it over to cook the other side. And then once the other side is cooked through, you can remove it and place it on your serving dish. When you only have a few pieces of meat left to cook, add your mushrooms to the pan. The mushrooms will start to sweat and loosen up the bits stuck to the bottom of the pan. Once you've removed your meat, add 2 tablespoons of sake to deglaze the pan. This also helps the mushrooms to cook in the steam as well. At this time, you want to scrape off any bits at the bottom of your pan and then add a splash of water to create a sauce. Let the mushrooms cook for another 2 to 4 minutes over medium heat until it's done, and then pour it over your pork. Wow, this smelled so amazing. I wish you guys could smell it right now. I'm so excited to eat this. But before we can get to the dinner table today, I'm going to stir fry some bean sprouts to go with this dish. We're going to need 1, preferably large, clove of garlic, thinly sliced. I rinsed out the pan we were using earlier and placed it over medium-high heat. Add a tablespoon of oil and then your garlic. Then, when the edges start to turn golden, add your bean sprouts. So, season it with salt and mix it around. And then we're going to add a splash of soy sauce to give it more flavor. Mix it up and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. You can also just grab one of the bean sprouts and try it. See if you like your bean sprouts crunchier or if you like it softer. If you like it softer, you would just cook it for longer. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you've enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Good luck in the kitchen and enjoy!
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
These mushrooms look great. this glaze thing that you do with it, it's amazing. It's so good.
Thanks, babe.
It's like get all that juice.